In this video, we have Mike Hicks showing a commercial property for Onsite and making impossible deals profitable. Details coming right up. Hi, movers, shakers, and deal makers of Chattanooga. I'm Alan, along with this week's installment of What's Happening at Chattanooga REIA. This is a weekly show that is put out every Monday on our YouTube channel that detail the events that are coming up within Chattanooga REIA. If you are watching this from our YouTube channel for the first time, please make sure that you hit our subscribe button, and also make sure that to the right of the subscribe button you hit our notification bell so that you are notified immediately whenever a new video is placed up. And we usually place up videos at least 2 per week. Detailing things that are going on with the Chattanooga REIA, and also some of tips, tools, and tricks, and also some hacks to make you a better real estate investor. So let's go ahead and get into this week of what's coming up at Chattanooga REIA. This Wednesday, February 27th at 12 noon, we have the Onsite Renovation Group led by Mike Hicks. We will be meeting at 807 Chickamauga Avenue in Rossville. That is the main street of Rossville, also known as US Highway 27. And this is going to be a little bit unusual, as this is a commercial property. It is a former pest control office and a used car lot, and we are going to gather there and find out exactly what Mike has in store for this property. Onsite Renovation Group usually focuses on single-family residences, but this month we are doing something a little bit unusual, and we're going to find out a little bit more about rehabbing a commercial property. If you would like to attend the Onsite Renovation Group this coming Wednesday, February 27th, please make sure that you RSVP. The links are in the description box and also on the comments if you are watching this on Facebook. Just RSVP on Meetup or on Facebook, and we will see you there. On Monday, March the 4th, we have a Facebook Live one-on-one exclusive interview with Bill Cook, and he's going to be giving us a sneak peek preview of his upcoming talk at the Chattanooga REIA main event on March the 7th, as well as being able to answer some of the questions from our live audience, as well as take part in the lightning round of questions. This Facebook Live broadcast will be from our Chattanooga REIA Facebook page, not our group page, but our Facebook page. Please make sure that you attend that 7 p.m. Eastern Time on Monday, March the 4th. Very interactive. It's going to be a lot of fun, a lot of learning, and you will want to be there. Have you as an investor come across a deal or situation that you didn't quite know what to do? Well, Bill Cook creates deals from what other investors have run away screaming from, and has actually found a way to make them profitable. Now, at our upcoming event on Thursday, March the 7th, Bill will reveal to you how to be a successful real estate investor. You must begin to think of yourself as not a real estate investor, but as a problem solver. And Bill will also reveal 5 things that you must do to make all deals possible. It's sure to be an inspirational and educational event for all levels of investors. That is coming up on Thursday, March the 7th. And we want you to come to our event and tell all the attendees if you have house deals that you are wanting to sell, or if you are looking to buy, just please stand up and tell us what and where you are looking to buy. Or if you have a business that can benefit real estate investors, please come and tell us about it. Don't be shy. Once again, that is Thursday, March the 7th at the Hilton Garden Inn near Hamilton Place Mall. Right now we have a new feature that we are doing here on What's Happening with Chattanooga REIA, and it is the question of the week. And the question of the week for you is, what is the most important thing to you about joining a REIA group? If you could share your answer in the comments down below, and also make sure that you like your comments as well. Once again, that question is, what's the most important thing to you about joining a REIA group? Well, that's all the time that we have for this week's video of What's Happening with Chattanooga REIA. Remember, every Monday we come out with a new edition of Chattanooga REIA describing the events that are coming up with Chattanooga REIA. Also, please go to our YouTube page and subscribe, and also remember to hit the notifications button to the right of the subscribe button. That lets you know every time that we post up a new video. It lets you know immediately that there is a video waiting for you, brand new and fresh. So until next week, go talk to some sellers and go solve some real estate problems, and I'll be seeing you real soon. So we want you to participate, and it's going to be on our Facebook Live Now, have you as an investor come across a deal or a situation that you didn't exactly know what to do? Well, Bill Cook creates deals from what other investors have run away screaming from, and has also found a way to make them profitable. So our upcoming event for Chattanooga REIA on